In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data table in Google Spreadsheet. We'll start right on the Google homepage. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the top right corner, look for the Google Apps grid icon, the one that looks like 9 small dots. Click it to open the app launcher, and then choose Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets home, where you can see templates and recent files. To begin with a clean slate, select Blank Spreadsheet. A new sheet opens in a separate tab. This gives you an empty grid where your data will land, which helps keep things organized and avoids mixing new information with anything else. Now look to the top left and click File. From the menu that appears, choose Import. This is where you bring your data into the sheet. The import window offers a few sources. If your file is already saved in your Google Drive, you can pick it from there. If the file is on your computer, you'll upload it directly. For this tutorial, we'll upload from the computer. Click the Upload option, then select Browse. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the folder that holds your data file and select it. Common formats like CSV, TSV, and Excel files usually work well. If you're using a CSV, make sure your columns are separated by commas and that your first row has clear headers. That small bit of prep helps Sheets recognize your columns accurately. Once you've chosen the file, you'll see it queued in the Import window. Go ahead and click Import Data to bring it into your spreadsheet. Sheets will process the file and then populate your grid with the table. Depending on the size of the file, this might take a moment. After the import finishes, give your sheet a quick scan. Check that headers landed in the first row, columns are aligned, and special characters display correctly. If any columns look cramped, widen them so everything is readable. Dates and numbers may need a quick format adjustment to display just the way you want. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. You can undo the import or repeat the process with an updated file. And remember, if your data lives in Google Drive, using the Drive option in the import window can save time by skipping the upload step. That's it. You've successfully imported a data table into Google Spreadsheet. With your data in place, you're ready to analyze, sort, and build out formulas to get the insights you need. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting. And